In this video, I will show you how to join anyone on Roblox. If you do have any questions or comments regarding this tutorial, feel free to jot that down in the comment section down below the video. And with that being said, let's jump straight into it. So it is actually possible to join anyone in a game of Roblox, even if you're not their friends. Now to do this, as you can see, we're here on roblox.com. What you're going to want to do is search for the person using the search box at the top. Then what you want to do on the options that come down is make sure you select in people like this, and it's going to bring up some suggestions for the person that you're searching for. So as you can see, any of these I'm not currently friends with. So what we're going to do is click onto this profile here. And once you come across to their profile page, all you want to do is come up to the three dots just up here, give this a click, and then click on to follow. Once a person has accepted your follow request, you can then go ahead and join them in a game. So that is how to join anyone in Roblox. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.